Well, good morning and welcome back to the channel. You're probably wondering what I'm doing up here. Past 8 weeks, I've been working primarily inside the trailer, getting things fixed up. Today we're going to be working on the outside of the trailer and more specifically up here on the roof. So let me bring you up here and show you what we got planned. All right, so as you can see up here, there's been some patches put into the roof. Previous owner told me that he believed that the gouges or the holes were put into it when people were trying to scrape ice off of it and just gouged it. It's fairly thin aluminum, so I can kind of see that. Probably could have also been a tree branch fallen on there, something like that. But they've all been patched and none of them leak. This roof is watertight, but I think just to have some peace of mind, I'm going to put a roof coating on here. The edges have been sealed and looks to be in good shape, so I don't think I need to do anything with that. We're just going to give it a good wash, let it dry, and then we'll put the roof coating on. So let me show you what I'm going to use for the roof coating. Okay, so what I'm going with is this Dicor metal RV roof coating. I had three options narrowed down. The first one was the Flex Seal liquid, and that had pretty good reviews as far as putting it on a trailer roof. There were a few negative ones saying don't put it on there, it'll ruin your roof. So the Flex Seal was about a little over $100 for a gallon of that. The second product I was going to try was Henry's Tropicool for metal roofs. That product's been around forever, and that was also a little over $100 for a gallon of that. And then my third option was this Dicor metal RV roof coating. I've used Dicor products before on my camper with very good success. Dicor's been around for a while, so I feel really good about using this. It says that it covers 200 square feet, which is obviously more than enough for this. So I should be able to get 2 coats out of this. So I just got to get the top washed, let it dry, and then we can start putting this on. So I've just got some trisodium phosphate, some TSP in here. Add some water to it. And I've got a fairly hard bristle brush here that we'll scrub it down with. First coat is all dry. You can see it's kind of thin, but I plan on putting the second coat on anyways. So yeah, that first coat went on really nice. So let's get the second coat put on. All right, there we are. We got the second coat on, and I think it looks really good. Went on nice and even. There's a few thin spots, but I think it's gonna be good. I still got plenty of the product left over. I could actually do a third coat, but I think 2 coats will be good for now, and we'll have some for next spring if we need to put another coat on. But I think it'll be good. So we'll see you next time.